Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys a Honda CR-V, talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the radio fuses are located. You may have guys up to 4 fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can guys buy cheap fuses and relays from, that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CR-V from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So the radio fuses guys, they're located in 2 different fuse boxes. That's right, you may need to check up to 4 fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. The first fuse box is the one on the inside for your radio system. So if you look under the dash guys, all the way on the left side, on the driver's side, above the pedals, on the left, under the dash, you will notice that you will have a fuse box layout that will look just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, let's go ahead and explain which 2 fuses we need to check. Then you need to go to a different fuse box. The first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 19, that's 7.5 amp fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 25. We're talking about that fuse right here specifically guys. Next, there is another one that you need to check. 2 more fuses under the hood. If you open the fuse box right here, that's the cover guys, open that cover and you will notice that you have that fuse box layout. This will be the front of the CR-V, this is towards the windshield side. Here if we zoom in a little bit, that fuse number 29 here will need to be checked. That fuse here needs to be checked guys for the radio. And you have another fuse that is part of that multi-block fuse. This fuse consists of 8 individual fuses. That's the side view. If one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box. That's the bad news. Good news, we will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping. Check it out for your convenience. And here guys, we'll need to check that second fuse right here, that 60 amp fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.